and show like his gods when mercy seasons justice. Therefore chew, though justice be thy plea, consider this, that in the course of justice, none of us should see salvation. We do pray for mercy, and that same prayer doth teach us all to render the deeds of mercy. I think I have spoken much to give you a reason for being merciful.
My deeds upon my head. I grab the law, penalty, and forfeit the bond.
Is he not able to discharge your money?
I can pay 10 times if he leaves my friend Antonio safe. I am asking you to do a little wrong for doing a great right, to curb this devil of his will.
This cannot be. There is no power in Venice which can change an established decree.
O wise judge, how do I honor you?
Let me look upon the bond.
Here is the bond.
Shylock, there is thrice the money offered to you.
An oath? An oath is an oath. I cannot lift my bond, not at least for the Venice.
Yes, lawfully you may claim a pound of the merchant's flesh. But Shylock, be merciful and bid me tear the bond.
I think you are a worthy judge, but by my soul, I swear there is no power in the tongue of the man to alter me. Thereby, I stay on my bond.
I request the court to give the judgment.
Lawfully, you may claim a pound of the merchant's flesh. The court awards it and the law gives it.
Most learned judge.
And you may cut it from off his chest. The law allows it and the court awards it.
A sentence. Okay then. Come. Prepare.
Wait, Shylock! There is something else. The bond does not mention a drop of blood. The words are a pound of flesh. And if, while cutting of the pound of flesh, you shed even a drop of Christian blood, your land and your goods shall be taken all by the state of Venice.
Is that the law?
Yes, it is. You demand justice, so you be assured you have all the justice today.
Then, I take this offer. Pay me thrice and let the Christian go.
Here it is.
Soft, don't ask. Let the Jew have all the justice. He shall have nothing but merely penalty. Therefore, Shylock, remember that if your scales measure a little more or a little less than a pound, then you shall be condemned to die by the laws of Venice, and your goods shall be taken all by the state of Venice. Why do you pause? Speak.
Please give me my money and let me go.
Here, I have it ready for you.
No, he had refused it in the open court. Now he shall have nothing but merely justice and his bond.
Shall I not have merely my money also?
You shall have merely your bond, Shylock.
No, I will question you no more.
Wait, Shylock! I have yet another hold on you. Your wealth is forfeited to the state of Venice for having conspired against the life of one of the citizens. Your life lies at the mercy of the Duke. Therefore, get down on your knees and ask him to pardon your life.
Even before you ask it, I pardon your life. As far as your wealth is concerned, half of it belongs to the estate and other half to Antonio.
My lord, you take my wealth, but not my house. It is the only place which sustains me.
What mercy do you render him, Antonio?
I give up my shares of Shylock's wealth. If Shylock would sign a deed, that he would leave it at his death to his son Lorenzo and daughter Lydia, my lord.
He shall do it, or else I shall not pardon his life.
Are you contented, Jew? What do you say?
I pray you, please let me go. You send the deed after me and I will sign it.
Okay then, you can leave, but remember to sign it.
Thank you, my lord.
Today, I passed a historical judgment in the pious land of Venice. It became possible due to the high caliber and beauty of Dr. Balthasar, and a life of innocent citizen has been saved. My dear ladies and gentlemen, court is adjourned for today.
So, ladies and gentlemen, really, mercy plays a significant role in the existence of humanity. Merciful man is like a god on the earth. Thank you.
Okay, so So here I call upon students to perform Shiv Tandem.
चकार चंड तांडवं तनोतु न शिव शिवं जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्नितिं पतञ्जलि विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमोहनद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टभावकै किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रदक्षिणं मम शेषलेखशङ्करं रसूलधूलितोरणि विधूसराङ्घ्रिपीठं शङ्कराजमालयानि बद्धजाटचूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोरबन्धुशेखर करालभालभट्टिका दगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वल धनञ्जयाहुतीकृत प्रचण्ड पञ्चसायके हराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रकार कल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रचिर्ममा नवीनमेघमण्डली निरुद्धदुर्गस्फुरद्गूनिशीर्निनीतमप्रबन्धबद्धकन्दर निलिम्बनर्चरीधरस्तनोतु कृत्तिसिन्धुरधरानिधानबन्धुर श्रियं जगद्दुरन्धर ललाटचर्वरज्वलधनञ्जयस्फुलिङ्गभाविगीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्बनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमानश्रीकरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटारस्फुटम्
Please give them the round of applause. So, only some of the experts of our school are going to perform the best yoga over here.
So give a round of applause for the yoga session. Audience, please encourage them through your claps.
So here a request to Jaswant Sir and group for the Hindi group song.